Hi friends, welcome to Awesome Art. My name is Miss Jackie and today we're going to be doing a Father's Day card, okay? So what you'll need is a brown construction paper, red construction paper, and for this one I'm going to do a yellow pocket, but for my sample I did a red one. Whichever one, whatever color you want to do, okay? And then I have some crayons, glue stick, and scissors, and then I printed out some templates of tools online, if your parents can find one for you guys, and then I just cut them out and I colored them, okay? So I'm going to assemble my Father's Day card. So I fold my brown construction paper like this, and then I'm going to cut out my triangle. This Father's Day card is going to be so sweet. Your dads are going to love it. So I'm going to glue the sides of my triangle. Okay. I'm not going to glue the top part because that's where I'm going to slide the tools, okay? And then with either with the black marker or black crayon, I'm going to do the little dotted lines. And then in the front, I write Dad. Just like this. Then I already had pre-cut my heart. Okay. After I pre-cut my heart, I slide it into my pocket. Then I pre-cutted my tools as well. So I'm just going to color. You guys can color them at whatever color you would like. Okay. And I slide one in. Use red. Did my wrench. And then the screwdriver. And then this is how it's gonna look in the front. And then on the inside, I'm going to write Happy Father's Day. Okay, and it's up to you. If you guys want to decorate the inside for your dad, put stickers, okay? But I hope you guys enjoy and I hope your dad loves your card. Bye guys.